The toy company's designers prepare a sketch of the figurine, showing not just the physical characteristics, such as size, colors, and textures, but also the body pose and facial expression. Once the sketch is finalized, modelers use specialized software to transform it into a drawing for a three-dimensional model. Then a 3D printer produces a model in plastic. The company also employs modelers who work the traditional way, with wax. The modeler makes the wax or plastic model accordingly. This dino is divided into 4 parts: head, body, jaw, and tongue. For each one, workers now make a silicone mold to cast several copies in hard plastic that, unlike the model material, can withstand repeated handling. Workers fill a metal box they assemble around the part with silicone. About 12 hours later, when the silicone has cured, they cut it open and extract the model. Then they use the vacated cavity to cast several hard plastic copies of the part. One copy, however, goes to the company's tool makers, who use it to fabricate the production mold. They bury the copy in putty, but just up to the midpoint. Next, they set the half-buried copy in a metal form and fill to the top with plaster. Once the plaster hardens, they cure it in an oven for about an hour. Then they extract the puttied copy. What's left in the plaster is a cavity in the shape of half the copy. They now fill that cavity with molten zinc, alloyed with copper, aluminum, and magnesium. Once the metal cools and solidifies, they break the plaster and voila, 1/2 of the 2-part metal production mold. They repeat the entire process to make the other half. Workers mount the 2-part mold in an injection molding machine. The machine shoots hot molten plastic into the mold cavity, immediately cools the plastic enough to solidify it, then ejects the figurine or figurine part. The plastic is solid but still soft, so they harden it further in cold water. The figurines then go to the art department, where artists hand paint them using both traditional and airbrushes. Once the paint dries, it's assembly time. A worker glues the dino's tongue into the hinged jaw, snaps the jaw into the head, then glues the head to the body. This ferocious beast is ready to hit the playground.